nagsama sa amin. Hello! Dito sa Canberra. Thank you. Yeah, when we go to Sydney. Remember?
But now we're going to Canberra.
Yeah, it's the same way. Hi guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Parliament. Dinala natin dito sila mga parents si Jeff. Yan. Ito yung Senate. Yan. Saturday ngayon dito. Hi guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Canberra, Beijing, sa Beijing Garden. Ayan. Yan si Joanne. Autumn ngayon dito. Ikot ko kayo. Ayan. Picture sila. Nice. Diba? Ayan. May ganyan pa. Tapos may tubig doon. Nice. Ayan. Picture. Siguro dati may tubig to. Ewan ko ba't wala. Ayan, may gazebo dyan. Nice.
Imperial Chinese garden style of the Qing dynasty, 1644 and 1912. A symbolic of luxury and refinement. This garden has been designed to blend in with the existing landscape, gardens, landform.
Hi!
Hello.
Hello!
I'm happy.
The design presents as a place of natural randomness within a deliberate landscape, composition of special settings, scenes, vistas, and features. The garden gate is Qing Dynasty Lotus Bay and contains the traditional step rock garden. The crane observation pavilion is similar style and is coupled on its axis with the group of trained sculptures and the garden settings. The individual sculptures each represent an aspect of Chinese culture and heritage depicted in traditional Qing Dynasty gardens.
Nice.
Penanchua.
Yan ang Chinese.
Ito kok. Koktay ako, di ba? Katay yun eh, kok. Pero maganda sa sumunod.
Chinese. Chinese name, Kok Tai. Nice. Galing ah. Ay, ang ganda guys. Pasok tayo parang ano, secret garden. Ah, nice. It's like a secret garden. Isn't it?
Look inside of it.
Oh. Very nice. It's like a secret garden.
You already said that last time.
Yeah. Wow, that's their logo?
Yep.
Nice.
But it doesn't work.
Okay, come on. Where are they? Labas.
I know. I'm really good.
Yeah, careful ah. Labas na tayo dito. Ito yan oh.
I can sense them, and they're over.
There. Okay. Nandun tayo sa car park. Yan. Ganda dito. Konti lang tao. Saturday ngayon. Pero konti lang yung tao. Siguro dahil kakatapos lang ng ano, long weekend. Anzac Day. So, yun. Parang perfect timing to. Para chill lang. Chill. Na tayo sa car park. No, tingnan nyo. Ganda. Autumn na autumn. Beautiful. Tayo dyan. So, anong oras na ba? Magche-check-in na tayo sa hotel. Kasi umalis tayo sa Albury around 6:30. So, nakarating tayo ng... tapos nag-stop over tayo sa Gandangay for breakfast. And then, diretso na tayo sa Parliament. Tapos, dito, malapit lang yung Parliament. 4 minutes drive. From here. Yun. Diyan na tayo sa parking. Hi, Janessa. How are you? Good? Ayan guys, dyan yung ating hotel, Meriton.
May makina pinag-uusapan.
Stoplight. Stoplight lang tayo. And then, check-in. Diyan na tayo. See you later.
Mag-exam ba nun?
Ayan na.
PR, wala pa yun.
Meriton Hotel.
The destination is on your left. Meriton Suites Canberra.
Meriton
Arrives.
Tayo sa car park.
Kapak!
Pero paano ka papasok? Wala ka pang access.
Meron na akong access dyan.
Meron ka na. Binigay na sa'yo.
Binayaran ko yun.
Ayan na. So may access na pala kami. Parang ano na tayo. Sa Meriton Suites. Suites pala.
Alam na.
Andyan ka na?
Please proceed.
Galing ah.
May camera.
Kilala ka na?
Oo, nung isang araw pa ako nagbayad.
Pasok ka na lang? Very good ah. Maganda yung ano nila ah. Medyo hindi makitid ah. Sa quest makipot eh. Pwede doon sa diretso?
Yun na tayo.
Small yan.
Small
car.
Do you know what's the count?
Hindi siya pwede.
Dami naman.
Ano sa EV parking?
Doon na ako sa EB.
Uy, bawal. Ito, corner. Doon ka na lang. Okay. Okay guys, room tour tayo dito sa Meriton Suite. So, ito yung pagpasok natin. So, kung may luggage ka, may space dyan. Mga luggage. Tapos, ito yung laundry area. Dryer and washing machine. Tapos, ito yung common toilet. Common toilet. So, kompleto. May toiletries. May hair dryer. Yan. Shower. And ito yung first bedroom. Yan. Yan. Tapos, ito yung view sa first bedroom. Yan. Very nice. Ito yung punta tayo sa kitchen. And living room. Yan. And dining table. So, ito naman yung view natin. Yan. Same view. Parang corner to. Corner yung room. Ito naman yung balcony. Balcony. Hello! Balcony. Hanggang dun yan. Oh, nice.
Dito, alak-alak sila. Tapos mga alak nila walang karma yun.
Yan. Nice. Nice.
Did you bring slippers?
Yes. But there's a slipper there if you want to use it. The hotel slipper. You can check on the closet. So, ito naman yung master bedroom. Master bedroom, TV. Hi! Luluto na kami ng bihon. Meron tayong pansit. Ayan. Pansit. Ang ating handa. Gulay. Tapos, dito tayo. Meron tayong pizza. Ano may ating pizza? Anong pizza natin?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Pizza mozzarella. And ang ating fridge. Meron tayong deer. Luluto tayo ng steak. Yan. Isang scotch. T-bone. Salmon. Hindi pa na. Saan? Mainit na? Ayun. And ang ating cake. And mini custard. And meron pa tayong wine. Yan. Mag-start na siya ng si Lola.
Ito mga painaan mo ko. Ito daw naman. Ayun, ang number 5 yan.
So si Junessa. Busy? Ayan naman si Junessa, busy. Oh, wala. Si Lolo, kakain ng nogat.
Nogat.
Nogat. Ayan. Start na kami, medyo magulo, pero mamaya, okay na yan. See you later!
Sa bawat ikot mo, parang kasambas. Parang sinasabi mo, sumabay ka na rin. Lumapit ka pa, huwag nang umatras. Sa sayaw ng gabi, ikaw ang lakas. Kapag hawak mo ang tutok sa kamay, lahat kumukulot sa galaw mong tunay.
Here we go, let's go, let's go.
Hawak mo ang gabi, sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y napipig. Hawak mo
Thank you! Parang totoo ah, taray.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Dinner na, guys!
Hello! Happy birthday!
Thank you pagsama sa amin.
Hello!
Dito sa camera.
Happy!
Thank you.
Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip!
Hooray! Hooray!
Okay, wish, wish.
Miss.
From Kuya and me. Wow, thank you. Wow.
Wait, no, this first.
Which one?
If being was, just say
If being pretty was a job, then you are a what's it?
billionaire.
Billionaire. Wow, stack of money. I think you're beautiful. Oh, thank you, baby.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Kiss, 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 kuya.
Wow.
Birthday!
Because he got it.
Okay, anything else? Pull. Oh my God. Okay.
You put a date.
Thank you. Nice.
Mama, kiss, kiss. Kiss kay mama.
Thank you.
Kiss kay mama.
Have you read it, Mama?
Kiss kay
Yeah.
mama.
Yeah.
Can you read it?
I'll read it first. Okay.
Yeah.
It's the same thing we think about every day. But today, you get a card. We love you. I am happy for you. Oh, thank you. Very nice card. I keep this forever.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. I love you,
I
Mom.
love you too. Happy birthday! I'm happy.
Thank you.
Love you.
Thank you for coming.
Love you.
Kiss mama.
Hi.
Hi, baby. Yeah, I know. I love you, baby. I love you, Kuya.
Maybe the candle is edible.
Yeah.
Love you, Kuya.
Wish you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, nice.
At saka matupad lahat ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay.
Thank you. Okay. Konti-konti lang. Parang busog pa eh.
Parang dessert lang.
Oh, dessert. How much? Good morning, guys. Next day na tayo. And, uwi na tayo. Check out. Tapos na ang ating birthday celebration dito sa Canberra. Okay. Nagano lang ako. Lip lip balm. Maganda to. It's Clinique lip balm with color. Yun lang. And powder. That's it. We're going home. Magla-lunch lang. And we're going back. Hi, baby. Good morning.
Hi.
How's your sleep last night? You good?
Yeah.
Okay, was it too bad?
Yeah, I slept while watching TV.
Yeah, I see that. I saw that last night. Alright, hindi kami nakapagdala ng suklay. So wala kami suklay ngayon. We didn't come out here. But it's okay. Alright, samahan nyo kami. Lalabas na tayo. See you later. Bye! Yan ang morning. Morning. Good morning, Canberra. Ayan. The next day. Malamig-lamig ngayon. Anong temperature, kuya? Anong temperature ngayon? 15. 15, parang umulan yata kagabi. Basa yung basa yung kalsada. So, ayan. What's that? That's a coffee.
Yeah, I know.
Yay! Good morning!
Good morning.
Nakaayos na kami. Ay, magsapatos pa pala ako. Okay. Ayan, guys. Ito yung lobby ng Meriton Suite. Yan. Alright, yan. Can purchase. And bring it home.
Ay, baka nakalimutan mo.
Mulberry.
Ay, in fairness, maganda yung nila ha. Yung ganyan. Sa buhok, no? Yung conditioner. No, yan. Ay, sayang. No, akin din. Maganda. Di ba malambot? Pag after mong mag-shower. Guys, tingnan mo.
Naisip natin nandito pala tayo kumain.
Oo. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, may pizza sa loob. Ayan o. We have a visitor. Hi, friend. We're going, friend. Hihingi ng chips.